Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade, doing a giveaway for my US subscribers. I am currently away and I'll be back on October 5th. So the winner will be selected on October 6th. So if you live here in the United States, feel free to enter to all of the 6 or maybe 7 giveaways that are open right now. And all I ask is that you come and check your notifications after October 6th, because you could be the winner for some of these giveaways. Okay, so first we have this Christmassy one. I do have a lot of Christmas themed craft supplies, stamps, dies, I think even stencils, and I want to do like a just Christmas one when I come back. So yeah, this one is a little cats, geisha cats with the cute little Japanese architecture and some sentiments, but this one is a Christmassy. What I like to do with this like little side, I put that on the side of the card where you open it on this side. So I call it the edge because it goes on the edge. Somewhere in the video I'm gonna ask you a simple question, and all you have to do to enter for the video, because people still ask me how to enter for the giveaways, all you have to do is watch the video, and somewhere I'm gonna ask you a simple question, and all you have to do is comment down below. Sentiments. These are mostly for, this is gonna be really good for Valentine's Day. It's all love type sentiments. And in here we have animals and a few sentiments. Oh, even clouds. Very, very cute. A little bit small, but if you're coloring with pencil, I think you can still do some nice coloring on it. Yeah. We got a bunny die. It's about like 3.5 inches wide, I think. Big ears. And then a stamp. This is a vintage stamp. Oh, that's a hat. Very cute. Like a vintage steampunk. If you want to double your chances of winning, feel free to ask your friends or family to enter for you if you want. That's all up to you. And you can enter for all of the open giveaways. Have I mentioned that? Yeah, so this is a washi, and it has like mystical cats on it. I think there's also some unicorns maybe. But it might be just a cat's themed washi, and it's pretty thick, so I think this is the 5 meter long washi, and it's brand new. Alright, my question is, to be honest, I'm running out of questions. Just to think randomly. Let's do something different. How about just comment, I want to win. That's all you have to do. Go down the comment section and type in, I want to win. That's all you have to do. Go in the comments and comment, I want to win, if you want to win. That's it. That's all you have to do for today. Okay, so the last one for this giveaway is a tea set. It's like a card themed tea set, so there are hearts and then the other ones, and you can cut it out in separate colors and then put it on top of it, so that part just shows where to stick the little bits on it. Alright, that was it for this video, and this is the last giveaway for the next 2 weeks. There should be like 5 or 6, I think, open Feel free to enter for all of them if you live here in the United States, because shipping is a little bit expensive. So each package costs me about like $6 to ship, so that adds up. That's why I'm doing US only. Yeah, so that was it. Remember what to comment. I hope you watched the whole video. Yeah, that's it. Good luck. I will be back after October 5th and October 6th. We'll be selecting the winners. So meanwhile, I'm gonna be uploading a couple of haul videos that I'm pre-shooting right now. Good luck.